Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, May 26th. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. So let's take a look at the chart of the pound yen today. This is a 60 minutes chart here. And we can see we ended with 2 right here. And then that means we are now within the wave 3 on the upside. We have a wave 1 rally over here. We are calling this wave 1 and then now looking for an ABC possibly. It's a sideways right now, price action, no doubt about it, pretty choppy, but we're looking for possible extension to the downside. This one, it does look a little bit like a 5 ways down, so cannot rule out um, another 5 ways down here in the C leg to retest this 155. Then from here we can then continue to go up again. So based on this count here, this is actually favoring more upside, as you know, even though yeah, we might see another leg lower, but overall is expecting further upside. And as long as we stay above 155.5, we could see further upside. Now let's suppose that we rally from here and break above this previous peak with one, then we would have to adjust this and force this to be a ABC, right? And then calling with to complete it here in case it rallies and breaks above here. Okay, otherwise that's what we're expecting, a more or less a retest of this 155, eventually to break below the A to complete the C. Then after the as long as we hold and we stay above 155.5, we then can continue to go higher. Now let's take a look at the larger degree to get some better idea. This is a weekly time frame, right? It's a weekly time frame, and we can see right here, based on discount, this is the wave 2, right? And so that means this has to be a wave 1, right? And most of so basically, uh, this is very interesting. If you look at the pound yen, couple of things that I want to let you know is, if you draw a trend line here, we are more or less still within this rising bullish trend line, rising bullish channel, and as long as we don't break below this trend line, then I think we got a chance to continue to extend on the upside, right? But if it breaks and close below, then that could be a detour. For example, this cycle could finish and then we can start to pick a pullback and so on. But otherwise, we technically, this can be ending here as a 5 waves, and then this could be your entire correction, and then it starts a new leg here. So this wave 2 here, it could be in the starting point could be this level here, November 2021. Okay, so as long as we don't break below this trend line, you can keep pushing it keep pushing it upward, and assuming that we start from November 2021 as an impulse to the upside, as long as we continue to stay above this trend line. Now, if I downgrade to the, let's say, 4 hour, now you can see the pullback here from the peak, which is basically, again, looking at this pullback here from the 1 to the 2 here, this pullback, right? If we downgrade on the 4 hour and look at that pullback from wave 1 to wave 2, now you notice it got a very clear 3 swing. So that actually is giving data to the bulls that this is a bullish market, because it is only a 3 swing. It fails to hit the 100% and starts to reverse. And if you look at the momentum, it breaks the like the channel in the momentum. So that tells you this is finished as a 3 swing. Also, if you draw a channel in the price, also it breaks above it, so that tells you this is a clear 3 swing. So overall, then, it is basically trying to tell us that this is a bullish market because it's a 3 swing pullback. And now the question is whether or not this is finished with the correction and then we can continue to go up. If it is, then we have to hold above here, because yeah, we might retest like what we are showing here. We might retest, but then it has to hold. If it breaks below, then it will become a 7 swing structure, and then will open up more downside to reach this level, 149 all the way down to 141, right? So it's very important to hold above that low from May 12th, at least in the shorter cycle. And then in the larger time frame, I think what's important here is the fact that we need to, at any point, stay above this trend line if we are really going to continue to extend to the upside. Okay, so that's basically the update, looking for the more aggressive view to the upside for the pound yen. So if you enjoy this, then please do like and subscribe. Also, if you want to check other forex or other indices stocks, feel free to check it out in the member area. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.